Good morning, YouTube. This is the next installment of the National Weather Service report from meteorologist Donald Jones for Hurricane Isaac. Enjoy, and thank you guys for all your prayers and well wishes. Give me just a second here and I'll get it started. And excuse the background noise today. I've got a little bit of extra company.
Latest on Tropical Storm Isaac. I'm Donald Jones. Let's start by taking a look at the latest forecast track for Tropical Storm Isaac as of 4 a.m. this morning. The track has changed a little overnight and still calls for Isaac to make landfall late tonight and early Wednesday near Venice. After making landfall, the storm is forecast to move slowly northwestward across the state over the next 2 days, dumping plenty of rainfall across much of eastern Louisiana and western Mississippi. We'll take a closer look at the forecast rainfall amounts in just a moment. Here are the latest details on Tropical Storm Isaac. As of 4 a.m., the center of Isaac was located near latitude 27.8 degrees north and 88.2 degrees west. Maximum sustained winds are still near 70 miles per hour. The storm continues to slow down and is now moving to the northwest at only 7 miles an hour. Pressure continues to fall and is now down to 976 millibars. This pressure is more typical of a hurricane, but wind speeds have not yet caught up. However, Isaac is still forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane prior to landfall, with maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. The storm's running out of time to intensify, though, as it will only be over water for another 12 to 18 hours. Now let's look at the forecast rainfall totals across the region over the next 5 days. The highest amounts of 17 plus inches are expected near and just to the east of where Isaac makes landfall. Our area can expect anywhere from 1 to 5 inches, with south central Louisiana seeing the highest amounts. Now let's take a look at the watches and warnings currently in effect for the area. The tropical storm warning, outlined in orange, has been extended westward to Cameron, Louisiana. Additionally, the tropical storm watch, outlined in pink, has been extended westward to just east of High Island, Texas. Areas that were already under watches and warnings remain under them until further notice. As a reminder, a tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area within 36 hours. A tropical storm watch means that tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch area within 48 hours. And a hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions are possible within the watch area within 48 hours. Now we'll go into the detailed impacts across each part of our area. Southeast Texas will see the fewest impacts, with sustained winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour on Wednesday, with gusts of 25 to 30 miles per hour possible. Winds are not expected to be strong enough to cause any notable concerns. Southeast Texas may see a brief stray shower, but the majority of the area should remain generally dry. Tides will be running 2 to 3 feet below normal through the day today as a result of brisk northerly winds ahead of Isaac driving water offshore. As the winds switch around to the southwest tonight and tomorrow, Southeast Texas may see a tidal increase of 1 to 2 feet above normal. No other significant impacts are expected at this time. For southwest Louisiana, wind speeds of 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 35 to 40 miles per hour can be expected beginning Wednesday morning. These winds will have the capacity to down weak, dying, or diseased trees, which may land on power lines causing electrical outages. Southwest Louisiana will see more rainfall than southeast Texas, with totals for the duration of the storm running between 1 and 3 inches with localized higher amounts. Localized minor street flooding will be possible, especially in areas with poor drainage. Tides will be running 2 to 3 feet below normal today, with brisk north winds blowing water offshore. As the storm passes and winds shift tonight and tomorrow, a storm surge of up to 2 feet will be possible across Cameron Parish. As with all landfalling tropical cyclones, the potential will exist for isolated tornadoes within any tropical cyclone rain band. Any tornadoes that do develop will move very quickly and may have little advance warning. South central Louisiana will see the greatest impacts across our area. Residents across this area should prepare for sustained winds of 50 to 55 miles per hour with gusts of 65 to 70.
South central Louisiana
These winds will have the potential to
so
down trees and power lines and may cause electrical outages. Rainfall totals of 3 to 5 inches with locally higher amounts can be expected, and some minor to moderate flooding will be possible. As with other areas, tides will be running 2 to 3 feet below normal today ahead of the storm. As the storm makes landfall, a storm surge of 1 to 3 feet will impact the area Wednesday, which could cause some minor coastal flooding. As with southwest Louisiana, the possibility will exist for isolated, very fast-moving tornadoes, and a tornado watch may be issued for the area later tonight or on Wednesday. And taking a look at the impacts across the coastal waters, winds of 50 to 55 miles per hour with gusts of 65 to 70 can be expected. Wave heights will be running near 12 feet across coastal waters south of Vermilion Bay, between 5 and 7 feet across coastal waters south of Cameron, and between 4 and 6 feet south of Jefferson County. For additional weather information, please visit our website, weather.gov/Lake Charles. If you have any questions or comments about the information presented here, please post them on our Facebook or Twitter sites also listed here, and we'd be glad to answer them.
This is that CP guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the prayers and support. And this is the informational video on Hurricane Isaac. I do not own this material. This material belongs to the National Weather Service and the Hurricane Center in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and KLFY TV 10. See you guys later.